Want to give your users the ultimate interactive search experience? The new WpResidence Hotmail layout is your answer. The most popular way to search for real estate online and get instant results. In this video, whether you're an agent or a developer, I'll show you how to implement this powerful feature in WpResidence quickly. We'll cover design options and the search form possibilities. Let's transform your property search. In WpResidence, the Hotmail layout can be set for 3 types of pages. Create a custom page specifically designed for map-based searching by simply selecting the property list halves template. You can also set the halves map layout as a default for your main search results page. This means every time a user performs a general search, they will land on this dynamic map view. And you can apply the same layout to specific property categories like cities, areas, type, dates, and so on. Now let's dive into the visual changes you can apply to this layout. You can easily choose whether to show or hide the search form entirely on these pages. And if you show the search, you have the modern design options to place it either in the header like in this demo or above the properties list like in the main demo setup. You can also control how many search fields to appear per row, which is crucial for keeping the layout clean and user-friendly. For navigation, users can easily switch between a map view and a list view, and from theme options, you decide which one is selected by default. The map itself can be placed on the left or on the right side of the screen based on your preferences and overall site design. And here's a fantastic feature. Unlike many other themes, WpResidence allows you to enable your site footer in half map layout. This maintains consistent site navigation and branding. Now let's talk about the heart of your property search, the search form itself. You have complete control over what search options your users see, making it as simple or as detailed as your business needs. From your search form settings, you can easily add or remove fields like any property categories, types, cities, and so on, and you can let users select multiple types like apartments and houses at the same time. You can add location search to find properties in a specific county, city, postal code, or neighborhood. You can do search by map geolocation address and your chosen radius. This is a must-have for map searches, allowing users to find homes within a certain distance from a point. For price search, you can enable price-based search and choose how it's displayed. This can be either a price slider for quick visual selection or a drop-down selector. For both options, you control the minimum and maximum values for the mean area, either globally for all properties or specifically per category. This keeps the search accurate and relevant to different property types. You can add rooms, bedrooms, or bathrooms. These are the basic options every home buyer looks for. You can also add keyword search field for searching titles that include specific words like ocean view or specific address details. In many real estate markets, each property has a unique listing ID. You can enable this search field so users can quickly find a unique property if they know its unique ID. You can add all sorts of features and amenities to your properties like pool, garage, or balcony. Then you choose which of these important features you want to appear as checkboxes in the search form, making it easy for users to find exactly what they're looking for. And here is the best part. Any custom fields you've created for your listings, they can be added to your search as well. This means your search form can perfectly match the unique details of your properties, whether you're selling standard homes or specialized commercial spaces. Once users find the property they're interested in, you can also control how the listing opens. Properties can open it as a sleek Zillow-like model, keeping users on the half map page. Or if users navigate away to explore specific listing, they can easily return to their previous search results and filters using the convenient back to search option. When everything is configured, the WpResidence half map layout updates dynamically as users search and filter, creating a truly smooth app-like experience directly on your website. Are you ready to see the difference WpResidence can make for your business? Visit our website today to explore our demos, discover more powerful features, and start building the real estate platform your clients deserve.